Hello guys and welcome to Kitchen Kolony. On this channel, I'll be bringing to you a taste of Jamaican inspired meals with a twist to suit every palate. Sweet butternut squash. That's what I have for you today. Before we move on, let me just take this time to thank my subscribers, old and new, and also my viewers. Thank you for coming back faithfully every week. Today I would like to share with you a dish that is ideal for the summer, and the reason for that, we can just pop it on the grill or we can simply do it in the oven, and it is called stuffed butternut squash. If you'd like to see me do this, then follow me. Here I have a very large squash and I will be cutting it in threes, and I'm doing this to form a cup. Now here I have half a pound of turkey mince. In this bowl, onion, garlic and some bell peppers. Now the turkey mince is very dry, it's not fatty, therefore I'll be using mushroom to bring out that moistness. And then some mixed vegetables. And to top it off, I'll be using some cheese, but this is optional. Normally I wouldn't add oil to cook mince because it would be beef. But when you're using poultry mince, it's very dry, so you need oil. And in my pan I have, I think, about 2 tablespoons approximately. And I'm putting in my mince now. I'm just breaking it apart so that it doesn't lump. Because you don't want the lump. Not much. You can have some lumps, but not too much. And chicken or turkey mince cooks quickly, not as long as the beef. So at this stage, I'm going to leave it to fry off and then get ready to prepare the seasoning. Water is dried out. Now it's time to add our garlic. We're grating them. Please remember, guys, to hit that like button. It means a lot. Adding the mushrooms now. Then now the mixed vegetables. I've not added any water, you notice. Now the onion and also the sweet pepper, the bell peppers. This point I'm going to turn down the stove and then cover till it allows to steam. Now after 5 minutes of steaming, I'm going to start seasoning now with powdered seasoning. Now you season it the way you like, to your taste. I'm going to add some green seasoning. For my powdered seasoning. Now season the way you like, as I said before, to your taste. I'm adding a little light soy sauce, a tablespoon. I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of boiling water so that I can add the cornstarch to bring everything together. Cornstarch. it's finished, everything is combined. I'm going to turn off and leave it to cool until I'm ready for it. Now I've washed my squash and it's time to prepare it. I'm going to cut it in the sizes that I need. I need this part, which is a cup, and this part up here. Please remember, guys, to hit that like button. It means a lot. I'm removing the middle in order to create a cup to you know, to accept the filling. And the seeds. Getting rid of the seed and to take out all these parts and leave a smooth cup. Part we have to create a pocket for it, so we're cutting out the middle to remove enough so that the filling may fit in. So that's what I'm doing here. Now don't throw this out, you can save it for soup. Now I'm going to core the others and get back to you. Now the coring is finished and I'm just putting away the pieces for soup later on and just allowing it to drain if there's any excess water in it. It's time to roast our squash, but here in my bowl I have some garlic powder and some herb and a little olive oil, and I'm going to paint the squash. And we're going to get them ready for roasting. Now we're going to cover it to allow it to steam, because if you don't, you'll have it burning and we don't want that. So we're going to allow it to cook for 45 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius. Now it's about time. It's going to go off in a minute now. Now I'm testing after 45 minutes. Let's see whether or not it is cooked. Oops. Let's see. Let me test now. This one cook some more. This one is cooked, this part is cooked. This one to cook a little bit more. So I don't want it to burn, so I'm going to put back the foil and put it in for about 10 minutes. To do this on the barbecue, simply wrap it in foil and leave it on the grill to steam. Now we're going to test and see how far it is gone. Then we're going to remove the foil for the last 10 minutes. And then it should be ready. Yes, it's coming on. Yes, so the next 10 minutes, see, it's going through nicely. I'm taking off the foil. Okay, this is done. This is what we want. Look at it. Well done and not burnt. Now it's time to stuff. Remember our mince that we had done earlier? We're going to stuff it now. Now that we've stuffed our squash, we're now going to add our cheese. Now, cheese is optional. If you don't want cheese, you don't have to add it. Just garnish it with a little hot paprika. This has pepper. Now we're going to put it back in the oven for 5 minutes until the cheese melts. Now done and ready to be served. I need to test to see whether or not they're not sticky. No, they're not. So you can remove it now. Ready to be served. I'm using an egg lifter instead. Make sure it's now here we have it. Stuffed butternut squash. Deliciously cheesy and spicy. Can be used as a main dish because it is so filling, and it is a lovely recipe during the summer or throughout the year. Enjoy. Please remember, guys, to hit that like button. It means a lot. If you've enjoyed what you've just watched, then please give me a thumbs up, share my videos, and if you have not yet subscribed, please remember to do so. I do enjoy making these videos for you, and I do appreciate your comments. Thank you all for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.